A very good morning to all the students of class 2nd. Dear student, today we will discuss the 6th chapter of social science, that is House to Live in, from the book Our Land, Our World. So, dear student, let's begin with the chapter House to Live in. Dear student, very first you should know what are the learning objectives of the chapter. So, dear student, here I am sharing my screen with you so that you can get more clarity for the chapter. These are the learning objectives of the chapter. What we will learn in this chapter? We will learn about importance of house. We will learn about the types of house. We will learn about building a house. At last, we will learn about a clean house. So let's discuss with the first one. Why we need house? Dear student, this is very important question. Why we need house? So this is the picture of house. Our house protect us from the heat of the sun, cold, rain and storm. Why we need house? Because our house protect us from the heat of the sun, from the cold, from the rain and from the storm. We keep all our things in our house. Our family live together in a house. We call it our home, where we live with our family members. So why we need house? I am repeating it again. Why we need house? Because it protects us from the heat of sun, from the cold, from the rain and from the storm. We keep all our things in our house. Our family live together in a house. We called it as a home. So let's discuss with the second learning objective, that is types of a house. There are three kinds of house. The first one is permanent house, the second one is temporary house and the third one is movable house. So let's discuss with the first one, that is permanent house. This is the permanent house, which is made of bricks, stone and cement. They are very large, very long. Bricks houses are stronger than wood and mud. As you can see in my screen, this is the pictorial part of the permanent house. This is the permanent house. This is the single story house and this is the multi-story building. These all houses made of bricks, stone and cement. These are last very long. Bricks houses are very stronger than wood or mud houses. Let's discuss with the second one. This is temporary houses. This is the pictorial part of temporary houses. Temporary houses are made of wood, bamboos or mud. They do not last very long. The next one is, which is the third type of house. This is movable house. Movable house are made of wood or canvas. Some people move from place to place for their work. So they make movable house. Gypsy live in houses on wheels called called caravans. Gypsy live in houses on wheels called caravans. Look at the picture of houseboat, tents and caravans. These are the movable house. So the next one is building a house. An architect draws the plan of a house. आर्किटेक्ट क्या करता है? घर बनाने का प्लान ड्रॉ करता है. The mason lays the bricks or stones. मैसन क्या करता है? ब्रिक्स और पत्थरों को घर बनाने के लिए रखता है, उनको उनकी वॉल्स बनाता है. The carpenter makes the doors, windows and cupboards of wood. So what is the role of carpenter? The carpenter makes the doors, windows and cupboards of wood. What is the role of mason? Mason lays the bricks or stones. What is the role of architect? An architect draws the plan of a house. The plumber fits all the pipes and taps. What is the role of plumber? Plumber fits all the pipes and taps in the house. The next one is electrician. The electrician lays all the wires. He set up all the plugs and switches of electricity, as you can see in my screen. The painter whitewashes and paints the house. What is the role of painter? The painter whitewashes and paints the house. The labor help the above workers. जो लेबर होती है वो इन सारे लोगों की क्या करती है बच्चों? हेल्प करती है. So these are the helpers for a building a house. The next and the last one is a clean house. Keep your house clean and tidy. Dust the furniture and other things daily. Sweeps the floor every day. Throw the waste in waste can. Keep everything in the order. Keeps the windows and ventilator open to let the fresh air. आपको क्या करना चाहिए? अपने घर की जो खिड़कियां हैं उन्हें वेंटिलेशन के लिए, जिससे कि हवा आपके घर के अंदर आ सके और अंदर से बाहर जा सके. तो उसके लिए आपको अपने विंडोज को ओपन रखना चाहिए. यूज कर्टेन्स ऑन डोर्स एंड विंडोज टू कीप द डस्ट अवे. धूल को दूर रखने के लिए आपको अपने घर के दरवाजों और खिड़कियों में कर्टेन्स का, पर्दों का यूज करना चाहिए, एज यू कैन सी इन माय पिक्चर. वॉश कर्टेन एंड कवर्स फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम. और उन कर्टेन्स को आपको टाइम टू टाइम क्या करना चाहिए? वॉश करते रहना चाहिए, जिससे उन पर लगी हुई धूल क्या हो सके? साफ हो सके. So this is all about the chapter. Let's have a quick revision of the chapter from our book.